Power and precision matter when tackling stubborn fasteners in automotive, construction, and maintenance tasks, where efficiency, durability, and control define professional-grade performance. The Best Air Impact Gun delivers high torque, balanced handling, and dependable output for faster, cleaner results overall. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. VEVOR 4.6 Lbs Air Impact Gun. The VEVOR 4.6 Lbs Air Impact Gun is engineered for users who need high torque performance without the burden of excessive tool weight. Built around a twin hammer impact mechanism, this 1/2-inch air impact wrench delivers up to 1,400 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, making it highly effective for automotive repairs, equipment maintenance, and general assembly or disassembly tasks. Despite its power output, the tool maintains excellent balance and control, allowing for precise operation even during prolonged use. Weighing only 4.6 pounds, it offers a strong power-to-weight ratio that significantly reduces hand and wrist fatigue, which is especially valuable for professionals working long shifts. A notable advantage is the integrated lubrication adapter, which simplifies routine maintenance and helps extend the overall service life of the wrench by ensuring proper internal oiling. Torque management is straightforward thanks to the 4-position forward, reverse, and power regulator, enabling quick adjustments based on the task at hand. Number 2. Ingersoll DXS2 Air Impact Gun. The Ingersoll DXS2 Air Impact Gun is designed for professionals who demand versatility, durability, and consistent performance from their air tools. Featuring the patented Drive Exchange System, DXS, this impact wrench allows users to swap between 3/8, 1/2, and 3/4-inch drive sizes, making it a flexible solution for a wide range of fastening applications. The standard 1/2-inch anvil length ensures compatibility with common accessories, while maintaining strong torque delivery and control. Built with heavy-duty construction, the DXS2 is well-suited for demanding shop environments, where tools are subjected to frequent, rigorous use. Its durable housing and internal components contribute to long-term reliability and reduced downtime. The wrench also incorporates a patented direct greasing system, simplifying maintenance and helping to preserve internal performance over time. A refined motor design reduces operational noise, improving comfort in busy workspaces. Additionally, the ergonomic grip and balanced form factor enhances maneuverability, allowing for better control in tight or awkward positions. Number 3. Ingersoll 231C Air Impact Gun. The Ingersoll 231C Air Impact Gun is a proven and widely respected tool known for its reliability and straightforward performance. Delivering up to 600 foot-pounds of maximum torque, this 1/2-inch drive impact wrench is well-suited for automotive service, general repair work, and light to medium industrial applications. Its twin hammer mechanism ensures smooth, efficient impacts, while rotational speeds of up to 8,000 RPM provide fast and consistent fastening. The adjustable power regulator allows users to fine-tune torque output, offering greater control when working on sensitive or precision tasks. Designed with a 2-piece construction, the 231C is easy to service and maintain, reducing long-term ownership costs. Pressure feed lubrication further enhances durability by keeping internal components properly lubricated during operation. Measuring just 7.3 inches in length and weighing 5.8 pounds, it strikes a practical balance between power and maneuverability. Number 4. Trivd Frol 4.74 Lbs Air Impact Gun. The Trivd Frol 4.74 Lbs Air Impact Gun is built to deliver high torque output in a compact and user-friendly form. Utilizing a 45mm cylinder and twin hammer impact mechanism, this 1/2-inch air impact wrench produces an impressive working torque of up to 1,500 foot-pounds, making it suitable for demanding automotive, suspension, and tire service applications. Despite its power, the tool remains lightweight at just under 4.75 pounds, which helps reduce operator fatigue and improves control during extended use. The composite housing and ergonomic grip are designed to minimize strain on the hands and wrists while providing a secure, comfortable hold. Speed control is simple and effective, with 3 forward speed settings and 1 reverse mode reaching up to 8,000 RPM, allowing users to match performance to specific tasks. The responsive trigger ensures the wrench stops immediately when released, enhancing safety and precision. A rear exhaust system directs air away from the work surface, helping keep the workspace clean. Overall, this impact gun combines strong torque, thoughtful ergonomics, and versatile control in a durable, workshop-ready design.
Number 5. VEVOR 1870 Foot Air Impact Gun. The VEVOR 1870 Foot Air Impact Gun is designed for heavy-duty applications where maximum torque and durability are critical. Equipped with a robust twin-hammer impact mechanism, this 3/4-inch air impact wrench delivers up to 1,870 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, making it ideal for large fasteners, truck maintenance, industrial equipment, and demanding automotive repair tasks. Its high-alloy steel construction provides excellent resistance to extreme torque loads, contributing to long-term durability and dependable performance under pressure. Weighing approximately 6.7 pounds, the tool maintains a balanced, compact profile that helps reduce user fatigue despite its high power output. Torque management is handled through a 3-position forward, reverse, and power regulator, allowing quick adjustments to suit different fastening requirements. Proper lubrication is emphasized to ensure smooth operation and extended service life, reinforcing the tool's focus on longevity. The overall design prioritizes strength, control, and efficiency, making it well-suited for professional workshops and heavy-duty environments. For users who require serious torque capability without compromising handling and reliability, this VEVOR impact gun represents a powerful and practical solution. Choosing the right air impact gun comes down to power, durability, and control. The models covered above offer dependable performance for automotive, workshop, and heavy-duty tasks. Evaluate torque needs, weight, and features carefully to ensure long-term efficiency, comfort, and reliable results in real-world applications.